Hi, Mary Jane. This is Diana Spazzillo. I am reading your resume. Um, it looks like you have a lot of experience. Um, I like the way it's set up. It's different than what I've seen before. When I'm looking through your experience, I'm noticing that Administrative Assistant 2, Department of Public Safety, Sinclair College, that all looks great. Um, I might put in there assisting instead of assist, as in you're telling somebody what you've done, maybe just changing the tense of the words. So assisted in compiling data and preparing the Department of Public Safety annual report. And again, assisting in preparing the department budget. And then the last, because administrative assistant, I think that most people would know that you're kind of at meetings and that kind of thing. So your last bullet, because I know in a lot of what we've been reading, they're talking about be very clear on how many bullets you have, the bullet points. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. So maybe the last one on the first one would be perform general office duties such as ordering supply, and etc. So maybe for me, I might take that one off because what you're saying in the bullets above that are really a more descriptive role of what you've done. An administrative assistant, everybody kind of knows that you're kind of the go-to person for all the office general duties, that kind of thing. Just my thoughts. And then on the second job, you have administrative assistant, PARLAWRES. I'm not sure, and again, it's just my reading it. I'm not sure what that means. And again, that last bullet point, attended meetings, recorded minutes, compiled, transcribed, and distributed same. Just doesn't, maybe removing that one is just one of the extra bullet points in there. And then I'm looking through promotions. Just in the office manager for the last one. Greet visitors, answer phone calls, direct correspondence to appropriate parties. Just maybe removing that one bullet, just to have like the meat of what you really were doing show through, which you're very thorough in your resume. It looks very nice. It's really hard to know if I'm telling you everything, but it looks good. I hope you do well, and thank you.